everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the Romanian cord. This is wonderful for if you're going to make bracelets, a strap for a purse, or even a tank top. Something that you're going to need that's a little bit durable but also kind of stretches a little bit. It does stretches a little bit but not too much. And this is very quick and easy to work up. So what you are going to need is your yarn, of course, and then whatever your yarn that you decide to use, you want to go a little bit bigger in a size of hook, because the stitches that we are going to be working into, they can become tight if you do work with a smaller needle or the needle size that your yarn calls for. So we can go ahead and jump right in. So we are going to start off with a chain of 2 and make those chain 2s a little bit looser than you typically would when just crocheting. And now we are going to go into that second chain from the hook and place a single crochet. But before we do that, I want to tell you to be mindful of this chain, because when we go back around and turn our work, we are going to need to find that loop for to do our next stitch. So go ahead and make your single crochet into that second chain. Again, try to go a little bit looser, and now we are going to turn our work. So now we need to find that loop from our chain 1 space, and sometimes when I do this it is poking out a little bit for me, but this time it wasn't. So you'll have these 2 loops right here where we just did our single crochet, and then you'll have a loop down here, and that is the loop that we are going to go into. Now I also kind of go into this loop as well just to kind of close it off a little bit, but if you want to, or if you don't want to, you don't have to. But we'll go through those 2 loops and we are going to make a single crochet. And when we make that single crochet, we make a knot, which down here below that stitch, and there's going to be 2 loops where you'll go into. And when we go into those 2 loops, we'll make another single crochet. And then we are going to turn our work again, and you'll see those 2 loops again. So here are my 2 loops, and we are going to go into those 2 loops and place another single crochet. And then we'll turn our work. You'll see those 2 loops again, and go into those 2 loops and make another single crochet. And that is really it as far as making a Romanian cord. You'll just continue working that until your desired length. And once you get to your desired length, you should have something that looks similar to this. That is it for the Romanian cord. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. But also go check out my other crocheting, knitting, and Tunisian tutorials. And I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.